Welcome to Economic Info. Today we discuss about the topic of objective of planning in India. We are know that there are many different objectives of Indian economic planning. Some of them are discussed here. First one, economic growth. Second, self-reliance. Third, removal of unemployment. Fourth, reduction of income inequalities. Fifth, elimination of poverty. Sixth, modernization. Seventh, inclusive growth. Then first one, economic growth. In India from 1951 to 2017, we completed 12 5-year plans. The economic growth was one of the main objective of each 5-year plans. The actual economic growth per annum of first 5-year plan was 3.6% and the 12th 5-year plan it has 8% per annum. Self-reliance. At the time of independence, India was depending upon foreign countries for food grains, necessities of basic industries, capital goods and foreign capital for investment. During the third plan, the self-reliance policy was adopted. Removal of unemployment. It is set as one of the objectives of economic planning to increase employment opportunities, and the most important step is to increase investment. The fourth one, reduction of income inequalities. It is one of the important objectives of the economic planning. In the fourth 5-year plan, it was given due importance. Fifth one, elimination of poverty. This objective was given in the direct importance in the fifth 5-year plan, so that it is one of the main objective of the Indian planning. Modernization of economy was another broad objective of planning in India. The Planning Commission in India has recognized the role of science and technology in the country's development. Seventh one, inclusive growth. This objective was explicitly give importance only in 11th plan. These are the main objective of Indian planning.